Hey, this is Draw My Life. Kidding, this is SPP document 208.
So what is SPP Document 208? SPP Document 208 serves as a guide among the promoters or owners towards an organized and successful competition by considering principles on which competition were based. Therefore, it will bring the interests and concerns of both project or owners and competitors. So the proponents of architectural design competition involved are owner, architect, jury, the professional advisor, and the technical advisor. For the competition secretariat, it is formed by the owner, the jury, and the professional advisor. So for the owner or organization issues invitations to architects for the submission of plans and designs that is congruent with the program. Therefore, it is the person or organization behind the transactions that deals on how to obtain the objective of excellence upon promoting design for a project or for the development concept. The next is the jury. The jury were the people appointed by the owner to assess the entries for the competition. The members of the jury are also called the jurors. These were highly qualified and registered and licensed architects and have been approved by the Integrated and Accredited Professional Organization of Architects, or IAPOA. These people were also assisted by the jurors that serve as the voice of the owner upon its aim and intention. So for the professional advisor, they are the architects nominated by the owner and approved by the IAPOA who organize the architectural design competition on behalf of the owner. Next is the technical advisors. These are the specialist personnel that keeps all necessary relevant information that may be consulted by the jurors at the process of ADC. Next is the classification of architectural design competitions. Architectural design competitions shall be classified as follows. One is the project architectural design competitions for actual projects proposed for implementation. Second is the ideas competition or competition of ideas set as a design and planning exercise to elucidate a problem.
So next off, we would be talking about the process of starting an ADC, or an architectural design competition. Before any official announcement is made by the owner, a written approval of the draft conditions, including the timetable, the ADC registration fee, and members of the jury should have been received in writing by the owner from the IAPOA through the ADC committee. Notice of a national architectural design competition shall be issued by the owner and the IAPOA ADC Committee Secretariat with a request for publication in technical journals or through other media at their disposal. Simultaneously, if possible, to enable these interest, interested to apply in those interested to apply for the competition. Such an announcement shall state where and how the ADC documents may be obtained and that the ADC condition have received the requisite IAPOA approval.